In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and here locate baseband and kernel version. Here at the top of the list you will find build number, so just tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, from now on you're a developer, so just let's go back. And now under additional settings you will be able to find developer options, and here you can smoothly use them, so just pick the one that you would like to apply and use the switcher, and just like this, then you can switch it up the same way. And whenever you'd like to get rid of developer options, just unmark the stop switcher, and as you can see they disappear, they are no longer active. So this is it, this is how you can activate and use developer options. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.